Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, we got another game to play. We got another version of What's in the Box. And this will be version number 4, so the 4th time we've played this game. It's been really fun. Been giving away lots of silver along the way. We have another silver prize with this one as well. So your job is to guess what's in the box. Or in this case, what's in the package. We'll just call it a soft box. Okay, here it is. All right. What we have here is something I recently received in the mail. It's got more than one item in it. It's got several items in it. And you have to guess what's in there. And I'll give you a couple clues and try to help you along the way. I'm not going to give it away, but I'll see what I can do to help guide you a little bit. And so my first clue will be none of them are American made. So they are not from the USA. Second clue I'll give you is there's two different items. There's multiple items and there's two items. So for example, there's multiple of one item and there's multiple of another item. So that's your second clue, is that it's not all the same thing in there. And the third clue is that out of the two different items that are in there, there's different denominations or weights. You don't have to guess how many of each. You don't have to guess there's 100 of this item and 200 of that item. You just have to guess each item and what the denomination or weight is on it. So that's all I'm going to give you for now. It's not American made. There's more than one item. And between the two items, they're not the same weight or denomination. So those are some pretty good clues. I think those can get you started. And so let's talk about what you'll win if you win version number 4 of What's in the Box. You will win a 1908 Barber quarter. Pretty nice. Nice little win, I would think. It's got a little smudge right there, but oh, look at that. It came right off. This is Denver. It's got a D-Mint on it. D-Mint mark. And it's in, decent shape for a barber. It's a typical barber. But you can clearly see the date on there. And this is what you win for winning What's in the Box. So there you go. That was the sound of a bullion bonus. That's right, folks. I've decided to double the prize winnings on this. And I'm going to throw in another Barber quarter, a 1907 Barber quarter. So we have doubled the winnings. We've thrown a bullion bonus. That's right, folks. The winner of this What's in the Box is going to win 2 Barber quarters, not just one. That's right, a 1907 and a 1908. That is what you will win. So what do you think about that? A bonus bullion. So you're going to get double the winnings now. So get on out there, make some guesses, and try to find out what's in the box. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.